What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, we're going to change out the lights on a 2012 Toyota Camry SE with 112,000 miles, and we've been having some problems with one of the halogen bulbs. So we're going to try and put these Amazon purchased LED lights in and see how they look. So no promises. If they look bad, I'll just send it back. So first thing you do is you pop your hood. And then you have a latch here. So there's a button here, a latch you have to push up on, get your hood open. And this was the light that was going bad. So you go in here, just turn. And that light gets pretty hot. So we'll take that out. So this is the light bulb that we just took out. Just be super careful. That halogen, that glass part, gets extremely hot and actually touched some of the plastic inside the car. It started melting it, so just be careful with that. And we're going to be changing it with this light bulb here. So let me grab the other light bulb, and then we'll put we'll do the passenger side first and compare that to the old halogen bulb that's in the driver's side. So open this up. What I liked about this kit, besides the fact that it's LED and it gets very cold here in Chicagoland, is that there wasn't any extra special attachments or a separate part you had to install. It literally goes in just like the light bulb you're taking out. Yes, there's a little fan here, and let's put that in and see what that looks like. Alright, let me get this ready and I'll show you how it goes in. So basically you just find your harness and then you snap it back in. Ooh, that's super hot, or it's not super hot, super bright. And the fan starts spinning immediately. And then you just place it in. That is really, really bright. And then you twist it downward. So here's the new LED, and that's the old halogen. So I'm going to close my garage door and shut off my outdoor lights, and let's see what we can see the difference on the garage. So here is the difference. We've got the new LED on the right, which looks very modern, like all the new cars nowadays with LEDs. And that's the old halogen on the left. And the halogen I have inside is not a cheap basic halogen. It's an upgraded one that's brighter than the standard ones that come with the vehicle, or the like the $10, $15 special. So far it looks really good, and I'm going to replace the other one. And then so far I'm pretty excited. Looks nice and bright. Alright, so now we're going to do the driver's side, and that is by the battery. And these Camrys don't typically have flashlights in them, so you probably want to do it during the day, but I don't mind doing it at night so I can actually see the difference in the lights themselves. But it's pretty easy. Just put your hand in there, you find the light bulb you want to place, and then you just turn. So I'm taking my hand and I'm turning the light this way, and then once you turn it that way towards you, the light bulb will come loose, Watch me do it with my left hand here. Alright, so we got that loose. Just so you kind of see how it goes in. And do not touch that light bulb. It'll be super, super hot. See, I already touched a little something there and it's already steaming. So let me get this off. It's going to require 2 hands, and again, don't touch the glass.